I have heard, unfortunately, one incident where the Fronius fan decapitated a frog, okay? Have you, because of those reasons, changed the fan arrangement or something?
Presented by Your Energy Answers.
I'm here with Fronius. So you've decided to come to Smart Energy, got your product there. I know these are dummies, so I can't lean on here too much. But that's a shiny new inverter that looks quite different to the previous one. I remember the others were kind of oval, so this is obviously the new generation. So what's different?
The active cooling is different. And also you see there's no display on here because these are now hybrid inverters. So the previous ones were only grid connect inverters. Hence you could have most of the information on the display. The reason why we don't have a display on these because they're hybrid inverters, too much information in terms of battery flow, energy flow, PV to battery, grid to battery, all that kind of stuff, and backup is just not able to fit it on the screen.
You could sit there for half an hour and just keep on pressing the button and pressing the button.
So it's just got a simple kind of LED to say if it's working, if it's not working, and if it's connected to the internet. And then otherwise, if you want more information, you need to go onto the portal and look it up there, which you can see that everything remotely, also on the SolarWeb, so like a browser. So
are you saying going forward, every Fronius inverter is now automatically a hybrid inverter, or is it just this particular model?
No, so it's a half-half. So it's a yes and no question. So we have the Gen24 and Gen24 Plus. So the Gen24 is exactly the same hardware as the Plus version, but the PV port and the full backup is disabled, but therefore it's more cost-effective, so it's cheaper, anywhere between $600 and $900 cheaper. So if you're just looking for something, okay, you're buying a hybrid, but you don't actually need the battery port, then you're buying the inverter without paying for something you're not using. And then later on, when you get a battery, then you upgrade the inverter over the air, over our web shop.
Like in the olden days, I bought a grid connect inverter, then I decided I want a battery. Now sometimes I need another inverter to go with it. Just a little solar scam warning. Battery ready was always a term by somebody to kind of make the customer dream of the future and believe they buy the right place. But when they're 10 years later, when they wanted the battery, the technology had completely changed and there was nothing battery ready about it. In this case, you have already pre-designed this. That is a true meaning of battery ready, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, I have heard, unfortunately, one incident where the Fronius fan decapitated a frog, okay? Now, have you, because of those reasons, changed the fan arrangement or something?
Slightly, yes. So there's now the grill on the front here, and also the fan, in terms of entry points, is different from the other one, and the noise level of these has also been reduced as well. So the whole heatsink and assembly is a totally different design. So the heatsink, this is all completely made out of recycled aluminium. So that in terms of being sustainability, that's one of the big pushes and the big important points that we have at Fronius, right from people work there, the efficiency of the factory, and also the products.
Are they all recycled solar panel frames, are they?
They're all LG ones, yeah.
We have to cut that. That's not nice. Anyway, that's a little nice box, but what does it do?
So the Ohm Pilot is part of our what we call sector coupling. So sector coupling is introducing e-mobility, so like electric vehicles, but also heating and cooling within the whole solar and within the energy system. So this is a hot water diverter. So this talks to the inverter, knows how much excess energy is, and then offsets the amount of excess energy, and puts it directly into the hot waters. It is made in Austria as well, so all of our products are all still fully made in Austria, so hence they are a bit more expensive than maybe some of our competition.
And that's a battery made by a different manufacturer, but it works very well with yours. Is that correct?
Yeah, so we've done the integration, so we've had a long-term relationship with BYD. As you know, BYD are a massive company, and so we've looked at the battery and incorporated that into our ecosystem. There's lots of different arrangements you can have with that, you know, from smaller to big.
So they're modular batteries, so depending what I want, okay, I can get different sizes. Now, you do shiny things with plugs. Now, if I rip this, the whole wall's wobbling. How do I get it? What do I press?
I don't know if it'll come out because it's probably locked. So it's in a locked format. So it automatically locks when it's connected to the car because you don't want to be pulling out when you're charging a car. So.
And then there's a nice app.
Yep, so this is, it's our AC EV charger. So it's got a dedicated app to that because you can use this if you don't have a Fronius inverter. You need a few bits and pieces to make it work, and it works a lot better when it's with a Fronius inverter, but you can use it without. There's multiple different modes you can set on it. So you can just have the standard one where you plug in and it charges regardless of what it's doing. You can set it to eco mode, which is then it goes from solar only. And then you can get a combination one's called next trip mode, which is a combination of solar. But if you don't charge the car enough from solar, you can then force charge it at certain times and at certain rates.
I know you used to have a battery too, but you do have a competitor's battery which brings the battery price down. What's the story with the Fronius battery?
We are looking into potentially bringing out a Fronius battery, and there's nothing totally confirmed with that, but it is something we are looking at, yeah.
Do you feel that overall with manufacturers more and more, where somebody just made an inverter or somebody just made a solar panel, that the manufacturer realizing that it is becoming a whole suite and that maybe even other smart home appliances even go into the mix, and therefore we are starting now to get a whole suite of products rather than a single? I see that more and more on the stand.
Yeah.
Is that really the trend?
It looks to be like that. I wouldn't say all manufacturers are doing that, but there is quite a few. It's definitely a Fronius strategy, being part of the whole energy mix and not just an inverter manufacturer.
All right, look, I have an inverter myself. If I ever have a problem, I'm going to give you a call.
Yeah, see you. No worries. Nice talking to you, Marcus.
See you. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.